In the welding program, you learn how to fuse metal together, and I wanted to learn that for fabrication purposes, making car parts, making fixtures, tables, tools. I'd like to get into like the hot rod kind of fabrication thing, so just working on cars and making parts that are needed for cars. If you wanted to come here for the practical welding, you'll learn how to do it the right way here. And if you wanted to be more artistic and do something creative, you could also learn the right way to do it, but kind of interpret that into your own work if you wanted to make something at home. If you're interested in welding, come to Pioneer Preview and they'll tell you about the welding program.